Jewels. This is Miss Texie from Magic Wednesday Tarot, and this is what is coming next for you this week for the week of 27th of July to the 2nd of August. Yes, friends, what will happen in your love life, your work, your career? This is a charms reading, friends. Yes, of course, like always, this is a charms reading. And whenever this is a general reading, but whenever you come across this reading, it will help you out and still resonate with you. Many people come back after the week or maybe 2 weeks and check for the confirm the messages. Yes, they do that, so you can watch it anytime, friends. Also, friends, this is a general reading. It may resonate or it may not, so take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. Also, friends, join us on Instagram as Magic Wednesday Tarot, and to buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicwednestarot.com. I have also started a new channel on you all requested it, wanted it so much, so I have started it, an exclusive Hindi channel, friends, Magic Wednesday Tarot Hindi, so you can join there also, friends. This is a charms reading. Yes, I have my bag of charms here, so let's take a deep breath. Let's take a, excuse my throat, friends, bad weather here, not good for throats and all. So let's take a deep breath, relax, and choose option 1, this beautiful car. It's a cute car, isn't it? Option number 2, this auto rickshaw. This is also cute. Option number 3, the train. Ooh, isn't that lovely? Relax, take a deep breath, and choose option 1, option 2, option 3. I will leave the timestamps, friends, in the comment section, so you can directly skip there. You can choose all the piles or more than one pile. You can watch the entire video, and also in the timestamps is the link of the new channel Magic Wednesday Tarot Hindi. Friends, do subscribe there because I will be posting there more often, so or more as much as possible. So yeah, do join us there, subscribe, like, and share. And let's begin. For option number 1, how your love life, work, career will be this week. Let's see. For those who chose this beautiful car, let's see how things will be, how this week will be for you. This is a powerful week because we have a full moon coming up on the 3rd of August, and also Mercury is in opposition with Jupiter and Pluto, which isn't a very good aspect to have. So this is your advice for the week. So let's see your cards. The Hierophant, interesting. The 5 of Cups, the Page of Swords, the 7 of Wands, the 9 of Wands. I hope you can see the cards. And the 4 of Swords and the 6 of Cups. This is beautiful, friends. The 6 of Cups, financial constraint number 13, and happy family number 4. This is beautiful, friends. This is beautiful. I see this is a slow week for you, for some of you. In fact, it is like you need a little slow week right now, because I feel like you need to rest a little, or you are not taking ample of rest or relaxing or sleeping properly in the last few months. So I think this week it is necessary to relax, or you will get some time to relax and enjoy your life and think about the good things in life. So I think this is although you have chosen car, but cars, those long drives, this car reminds me of that long drive, which the roads are smooth, there are hills around, you can look out of the window, you are relaxed, and there is good music playing, so you feel happy. So this is that week for you. You are relaxed, or you need to slow down, relax, and focus on yourself most this week. I feel you start the week, or right now you are not feeling very well, friends. Either you could be having sadness, you feel disappointed, you feel let down, or there is some weight. I feel like there is some weight. I feel my heart is heavy, your heart is like, you have some weight. Like maybe there is a long distance relationship, or a person is not in contact with you, there is some issues going on in a relationship, or maybe at your work you feel discouraged. So there is this issue, a lot of issue about work or sadness. You start the weeks feeling a little sad, feeling a little left out, and like things are not going your way. You also want to fight hard this week. You want to make prove your points. You don't want to give up on a connection, on a relationship, or on a job or career. You want to fight, but I feel you had been fighting since a long time and alone. I don't know why, but I keep getting that. We'll see with the charms also, but I feel like you're fighting alone. There are many people working against you, or like, no one is supporting you. You are fighting alone. This is the past energy. I feel you still want to fight for things, fight for love, for justice, for your career, for marriage or something. But I would say that this is the week to take a step back. Relax, let things go for now. Don't worry too much, and just take, like, I feel like you feel a bit underconfident, or sorry to say, right now you may be feeling a bit defeated. But I feel you can come out of it. You will come out of it definitely, because you have the card. So you are moving forward, even though things feel like they are just here, but you are still progressing. So things are moving forward, don't worry. I feel in love, an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person might be important, or you might be Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. I also feel an Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius person is important, or you could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. I also feel this is an overtly emotional week for you, because we have the full moon coming. So sorry friends, you may feel a little emotional. I also feel there is a relationship where there is distance between two people, like you and a lover. You are missing your lover, they are missing you. No one is talking. This is a long distance relationship. This person, or this is like you are talking on social media. You are not able to meet or see each other. Also, there is like some distance, like you want to fight for this connection. But I feel like your person is a bit tired, or your person now wants to fight for this connection, but you are a little tired. So there is like this energy of weight in your relationships this week. I feel like you want balance in this connection, or someone wants balance in this connection. Someone wants to do things right in this connection, whether it is marriage, or your ex lover, or your current lover, or relationship. Someone wants to do things right, and someone wants to do things fair for you and for everyone involved. But I feel there is a, if you are dealing with an ex lover, or a relationship is going through troubled times, I think your person is trying or working to balance things. Marriage is important, or what family, tradition, culture, religion, all those things are causing a problem, or they are on your mind or your person's mind this week. So a lot is going on. I feel someone is going to message you this week. I definitely feel that. It could be your ex-lover, your ex-husband or wife, or a friend who is long distance, or someone you have not been in touch with, or someone you are missing, or someone is missing you. So, they want to message you. It might come through social media, WhatsApp, or Instagram or Facebook. They want to message you. They want to talk to you. But I feel like this person is taking their time in messaging you, and it's frustrating you. You want this person, they also want you. They know you are the soulmate for them. Look at here. They know you are the soulmate. If you are single, you are longing for this soulmate connection this week. Absolutely. And you feel a little unhappy because you haven't found this special person if you are single. And you may be wanting to get married, or you may be planning for arranged marriage, or your parents may be telling you to get married or something. So there is this issue about following your heart or doing what people are telling you to do, or what is the right thing to do. But I feel like, there is someone who loves you very much, and they will, or they are thinking about you. They haven't forgotten, they are thinking about you, they dream about you, you are their soulmate, they also miss you, and this person wants to do justice to you. I also feel like if you are married, there may be some issues regarding family tradition or your in-laws, or there might be a marriage in the family, or some legal issues like, this is not like okay, this is like I'm getting two messages. I don't know how to say it right now because I got two messages out of the context of what I was saying here. Okay, how do I say this? Okay, so your marriage, if you are married, I see that you or your someone else could be involved with some property issues or legal issues. So that, or your in-laws are, or your families are, or something, you want justice, some sort of a legal issue, or fairness, or karma, or family is important. You have twice the energy of family. So family is very important, and it can affect your marriage or your partnership in some way this week. But I would say take your time and don't rush in making any decisions. Take your time, all is going your way. You also have the happy family card, so definitely some of you could be reuniting with a loved one, a lover, a friend. I also feel some of you could be getting a new friend, someone who will later on get married to you or something like that. If you are single, I also feel you if you are a student, you may face some issues with your parents, like you don't agree because Mercury is in opposition with Pluto, so it's like generational gap is there. So debates may happen, so stay careful. Focus on the happy and focus on the family. I also feel like some of you could be meeting your family members, your friends after a long time, or you would be connecting with them. So it will bring you a lot of joy and happiness. I definitely feel you need to relax this week because you are a little worried or a little anxious. You want to fight. If someone tells you, I don't want this, or you are wrong, you are going to debate and fight with them. I mean, fight in the sense like argue, but I think that would just waste your time. So focus on what you can achieve. Financial constraint, yeah, I definitely feel some of you want to change your career and you feel stuck. Like, how shall I do? What shall I do? Where do I go? You feel like options are less right now. What am I supposed to do? I also feel your expenses may be high this week. So take your time in not deciding where to spend and where not to spend. I also feel a marriage ceremony or anniversary or some function is going to happen, or maybe you are planning for a wedding for someone or a gift for someone, so some expense can happen. I also see some gifts coming your way. Yeah, absolutely. I see if you are a student, there is some good news coming from some college or university. Definitely some good news or some important messages are coming from your universities. Your degrees are coming, or you are clearing an exam that you were expecting or wanting to clear. So a lot is happening this week, but it will keep you a little anxious also. I would say take care of your money, friends. This is a week where you may overspend or you may feel a little worried about money. Let's see your advice and then we'll look into the charms. Helpful person, someone wants to help you. Think of whom that might be and initiate contact. I definitely feel, friends, you are feeling lonely this week. You need some support, you need some help, or you need some extra pampering and love, I think you should visit my channel, our channel, more often, because I love you all so much. And not just me, you all love each other so much. I see you all supporting everyone, with best of lucks, with happy birthdays, and like you can do it. I totally love it. The way we all support each other in this community, it's absolutely brilliant. Hats off to you, friends. Hats off. So, definitely, someone wants to help you this week. And I think your friends, I think this is a week to spend more time with friends, with family, and anyone who can support you. If you are single, if you are feeling lonely, there is definitely someone coming your way to help you out. It could be a new person, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person, and it will help you. It will help you to feel like this rainbow after the rains. So let's see for pile number one how this week will be. I keep seeing like, are you traveling? Some of you traveling this week. I keep getting like you're traveling in a car, because there is this car, but I feel like you keep traveling. I see you all in my mind traveling. So maybe someone is traveling towards you, or you are traveling towards them. For option number one, how this week will be. Ooh. See, you got the aeroplane. So, yeah, news, messages, traveling is important, friends. Absolutely. Let's see. Lots of charms and messages came out. Ooh. Let me just arrange them, like I straighten them so I can read them. So you have the words for you, letters for you are J, E, R, F, S, N, W, L. Wow, there is another word here. Which one is it? L. I don't know if you can make anything. Well, see, someone has deep feelings for you. Someone has very deep feelings for you. And also, life, like some things are causing you worry, but there is hope in it. You see, like you may feel alone, but there are people who can help you out. There is love, there is also money there. So well can also be like a wishing well. Make your wishes and you will get success in it. So don't feel like money won't come your way, success won't come your way. Wishing well, it reminds me of a wishing well. It also is like fell. I think some of you are questioning why you loved a person. You are like, why I loved them? Why? They hurted me, they left me. I was so kind to them. I loved them. Why did I fell for them? Why? Oh my God, why? Oh God. Any other word? I think you tell me the words you can make out of these, because sell is also there. Yeah, some of you could be selling something, some business, or you could be buying something, or you want to buy something like a house, but it is expensive, or maybe you want to buy some service which is expensive. Something that's expensive, so you feel like, oh, I can't buy it. If you are into business, expect some good luck. You also have this green card. So again, it is about traveling, money coming your way, healing coming your way, support coming your way. And you have the number 26. So 26 might be important for you. You also have number 15 and number 17 and number 19. Wow, that's in a 15, 17, 19, 26 and 777. 7 is about miracles. Mystical number, very mystical. So yeah, this is quite nice. And see, focus on your health. The apple is here. Make yourself a priority now, friends. You are loved, and focus on your health. I think it's necessary. News is coming your way. I think some of you may want to travel, like you feel bit unhappy sitting at home all day inside. So maybe a walk or something will help you. I also feel long distance. Someone from distance is going to message you, or maybe some job letter or some such news is coming regarding work. This is also the bead of creativity. I think this is a time to be creative. This week is about creating. This is also about growth. Look at this. This leaf where this, it's about growth. Go, you can grow together. I can't talk today. I think you people are having a lot of emotions. That's what I feel. That's what I'm getting from your energy. So yeah, you are growing together, and if you might be feeling alone, there is no one, but I think there are right people and opportunities coming your way. Have some patience. Knight of Wands and Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person. I was telling you an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius will be important. Again, family is here. Goodness gracious. Family is again here. Look at this. And I pulled the charms from the bag. I don't even see what's in the bag. See, happy family and family. So family is important. If you are single, you want a family, or you want a home, you want a person you can call your own. If you are already married, you want children. If you have children, you are worried about, like, where they will study, or will they pass, or will they clear their exam, or will they get, if you have marriageable children, you are worried about their marriage. Lots of things going on. Cat. See, cat is about self-care, friends. It is time to make yourself a priority. I think it's really necessary. King of Wands, see, again Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person, Prince of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. I was feeling a lot of Cancer. I don't know if you, our viewers, have a lot of water energy, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or maybe this week is emotional for you. Eagle, yeah. I think it is time to, take look at things from above. Again, my god, King of Coins. You also have Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. I feel men in your life are very important, because we have the knight, the king. So I feel like your parents, your husband, your brother, or maybe your seniors at work, your juniors at work who are male are important. If you yourself are male, I feel like you will be questioning, whether you are strong, whether you can do it. So you're questioning yourself. There is a lot going on. Black, see, you are very protected. You don't need to worry. When I start preaching, I don't know how you like these readings, because I don't like when I'm preaching, but sometimes the readings are like that. When like there is this energy here that I have to tell you. You let me know if you mind this, or if you enjoy this. I hope it makes sense to you. I don't want to preach here or like give a lecture to you. But the energy is like they keep repeating the messages, like you need to rest, you are protected, you are safe, sage, you are wise. A wise person is coming into your life. They are going to help you. Prince of Air, look at this, the Page of Swords, the Prince of Air. Wow, Aquarius, Libra, and oh my goodness gracious, you have the August charm. Look at this. And my dear friends, we are entering into August. Who I think you should note down these dates: 15, 17, 19, 26, and 7. So 7, 7. I think this is going to be an important month for you. August will be an important month. Something will shift for you in the most positive way. I will take a card because I want to know. You got the August, so I want to know what's going to happen for you in August. You can check the August pick a card readings. In English I have done, in Hindi I have done 3 or 4 readings I have already done for August, so please check them out. I will try to link them in the description box of this video, but let me just pull a card for you. All right, where are the cards? Here are they. What will happen in August for pile number 1? Because I feel something is going to happen, What will happen? And I have to give you so many messages also. So something is going on here. What will happen in August for pile 1, starting from this week? All right, peace is coming. See, number 23, something will be restored. Something that's missing from your life. This peace, this reassurance. And look at this star. Oh my God, look at this dove, look at the rose petals. Friends, peace is coming into your life. This peace you are missing. And look at this, the fate. Something is fated for you, it is coming. I think you are losing hope, friends. Don't lose hope, friends. Please don't lose hope, because I can't talk right now. So maybe that's your energy. Please don't lose hope. What you desire is coming for you. And I know times are tough, but you got to keep strong, because I need your love and support. So if nothing else, you can help me out. If there is nothing else to help, or there is nothing you can help or change in life, please at least visit our channel, subscribe, like, and at least come here every day. It makes my day a better day. So please don't think like, nothing is going to shift or change. Something is this month is destined for you. Something is going to happen, something destined, something nice, something beautiful. It will bring you peace, it will bring you relief. It's like, oh, finally, like finally. So friends, that's it for now. Let me know in the comment section if this reading resonated with you, friends. And if you want to buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicwenstarot.com. Friends, also join our second channel, Magic Wens Tarot Magic Wens Tarot Hindi. And friends, this is Mystic C saying bye for now. Hi friends, for those who chose option number 2, let's see how this week from the 27th to the 2nd of August will be for you in your love, work and career. This is a charms reading. I'll be pulling your charms also at the end. This is the advice for this week for you. Let's see your cards. Oh wow, this is the 9 of Pentacles. Wow, the King of Cups. This is beautiful. The Queen of Swords, the Three of Swords. Oh my God, the Three of Swords. Who? Eight of Swords. Friends, this is the energy this week. It's not just you. Trust me, the pile number 1 has it, even has it too. The stuff energy, 3 of Wands and the 7 of Swords. Oh my God, you have sword, and wands and swords. My God, so many swords. Victory number 28. Wow, this is beautiful. This is amazing. Wow, so I feel you could be dealing with an Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person this week, or you could be yourself Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, my friends. I also feel Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person is important to you this week, or you yourself are Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. I feel you are feeling a little heartbroken. Someone has broken your heart, friends. Someone has let you down very badly. You are very hurt. You are very upset. I'm sorry to say this, but look at this. If this has not happened to you, friends, I think it has already happened. This is the past energy, because here is the past I keep. So this has already happened, but I feel if it has not happened, sorry to say, maybe for 10-20%, 10% of you, this heartache, this sadness might happen this week. Sorry sorry to say this, like, but yeah, but I see a lot of things moving ahead, so don't worry. I feel right now you are feeling sad, you are feeling disheartened. Someone has betrayed you. You're very upset with this person. I feel this person was playing games with you, or like they keep changing their mind, they keep changing their thoughts. You felt very confused by this person. You are done. You are like very upset. You are like, no. You are like this queen now, no. Or king now. You are like, no. I choose myself. And I think some of you may be feeling very restricted by this love situation. It could be a friendship, it could be a love situation, or it could be a work situation where someone has hurt you, let you down, or cheated on you. So it could be, it is a general reading, friends. Take it in any way it resonates. I feel you are feeling right now blocked or unhappy or restricted by this situation. But I feel things are going to change, friends. I definitely feel things are going to change. Someone is also having a broken heart. They are not telling you, they are not showing you. Also, this person wants to come and talk towards you or talk with you, because they are missing you just as you are missing them. They also want to talk with you. They want to be this mature person who can take care of you, who can show you affection, who can give you love, and whom you can trust and depend on. They want to be this person for you, but they are a little scared of your energy right now. I feel there is a chance this person, 50-50 it is. For some of you, this is a past person or a current person who has broken your heart, let you down, blocked you, or, there is some issue going on. If this has not happened, it can happen this week. It may happen this week, but I feel it has already happened. I feel this person may have, may want to come back. They want to talk with you. They are spying on you on your social media, keeping an eye on you. I think this person is like, they want to win you, but they don't know how. And I feel like even if this person comes back this week, our viewers are very strong this week. They have decided to focus on themselves. They are like, no, we want someone else. We'll not deal with this, at least not this week. You are not ready, and this person knows that. This person knows that. Your mind this week is on forward progress. Your mind is on getting something new, new people, new love, new different. You want to see things differently. You want different things in life now. You want yourself now. You value yourself. Most of you will be focusing on your career, your self growth, self love. I also feel some of you will be buying an outfit or something very fancy, maybe some jewelry to help make you feel better. I think you are going to invest in yourself. Maybe you are going to buy some gold or something like that, just to make yourself happy. I feel you are. Or you will do something like, not think about this person, or you will decide to, like, no, I will not think about this thing, because you are choosing yourself. Some of you will be working too much or very successfully this week. If you are let's talk, if you are very single, I think someone will try to win you, or there is someone who is talking to you currently, but things may not go very well this week. Talks are not going flowing as it should, because this person has a heartache. They have like some, or maybe you don't trust this person. So if you are single, there are people coming towards you, but you have trust issues. We'll see with the charm, so don't worry. You are very clear on what you want, so someone has to work harder to win you this week, I feel, especially if you are single. If you are married, I feel definitely you want truth from your husband or your wife. You are not going to settle for less. If your partner, your husband or wife is not giving you time, you are like, nope. I want my time, I want my attention, I want some me time, I want some time with you. You can't do this to me. So you are very clear on what you want, and you are absolutely going to get it. I feel some of you could be wanting a family expansion, a baby or pregnancy. I think you will want to work with it with your husband or wife. So you are ready for it. I feel you are ready for it. I also feel that there was another message that was coming. What was it? Yeah, if you have any health issues, I feel they will be resolved. They will be resolved. If you keep a positive mindset, you will find some health issue resolving or healing for you, things moving ahead. If you are a student or about your career, I see you are very clear on what you want in your career. You will be getting some success in your career, some money, some recognition. I see people recognizing your work this week. If you are an artist, musician, people are liking you, they are supporting you, your social media, many people are appreciating, or how do I say, they may just like your picture, or they may say, oh wow, you are great at what you do, you have very beautiful handwriting or artistic like drawing or something. So people are going to appreciate you, and if you are working, you are going to get some money, some recognition. You'll be proud of yourself, trust me. This is a week you will be proud of yourself. You are like, yes, I did it. and there is going to be forward news. You want to move ahead, you just don't like where you are right now. And auto rickshaws, they go slow, and the ride is a little bumpy. There are bumps, so you don't want bumps, you don't want to go slow, you want fast, you want a jet plane, not this rickshaw. And you are not going to like anyone who lies or cheats or is not honest with you, who is playing, anyone who plays mind games with you. They are going to be off from your, like you are, no, I won't deal with you. You are like very clear on what you want. If you are a student, I feel your focus is on your future. You will be focusing on long distance courses or education. Some of you will apply there. I feel you will be getting a rebate in your scholarship or something in your education. But be careful, someone can cheat you, be careful of. If someone asks you money for admission or something, if you are a student or at work, be careful. I see someone can uh, tell you the wrong information or something, so be careful. I definitely see this is a victory coming towards you, friends, and that's exactly what you want: some justice, some victory, and some absolutely gorgeous recognition, awards from people around you. It's going to happen this week, friends, because you are choosing yourself. This is a great week, trust me. You start the week a little sad, but it's going to turn out very well. Number 28 is important. I feel a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus is also important this week. Let's see your advice, then we're gonna see your charms. Pay attention, notice the repetitious signs and your inner guidance, as this can yield valuable information. See, you need to pay attention, friends. I told you here also. You need to pay attention. Someone can mislead you, or you may overwork yourself. So, yeah, a lot of signs, a lot of messages that are leading you in the right direction are coming for you. So keep your heart and mind open. Don't think too much on your past. Don't think. You have already won the battle. You have already, this victory is already yours. You don't have to question it. Believe it. I know it's tough. I know it's not easy. Option number. And this week is like this. It's not your fault why you are feeling this way, or is the situation so bad. No, it's just this week's energy is like that. That's why I do these readings. Option number 2, how this week will be. Lots of charms came out. Let's see your alphabets first. WED, wed. See, oh my god, starting with a wedding. So maybe some of you want to get married, or maybe you were planning to get married but it didn't go as expected. There is this heartache, a relationship got off. TLE. I don't know if you can make any words. Let's see. Okay, let me know if you can make weed. Yeah, you can make weed. I think you are addicted to your past this week. You are overthinking your past. You can't forget that person, they can't forget you either. I told you this thing. So you are addicted, they are addicted. Or I also see some of you are addicted to working a lot this week, so stay careful. Weed is also, wedding is there. Wed is there, not wedding. Tell, I think someone wants to tell you something. You tell me what other loss, maybe, if you, not loss, but yeah. Ted could be a name, Ted is also there. So you have the apple. So I feel like this is about keeping your mind positive and not focusing too much on the past. Focus on the present. You also present moment. You also have this doctor's chart. Definitely, friends, focus on your heart's health. You first, you first, you first. I think that's your mantra for this week. You first. And keep your heart healthy and stay positive. Hello, I'm yours. See, someone wants to win you back. I told you this thing. Someone wants to win you back. They have ghosted you, left you. They have played mind games. But I would say stay careful. Again, and see how things are going, because you have pay attention. So yeah, see, messages in a bottle. So some messages are coming your way, some informations are coming your way, could be from love, could be from work or education. You also have this moon bead. Something is hidden, friends, a lot of emotions and a lot of messages. Some things are not clear, so use your intuition, friends, use your intuition, because again I will tell you this thing, pay attention. Pay attention to your signs you are getting. Pay attention to your dreams, your gut instincts. Also, you have umbrella. So maybe, I don't know why I saw some of you going out in the rain and having a good time, because I think it's needed for you. It will help you. Or maybe there is a memory of you going out in the rain with someone, and you will miss them, right? You will miss them. Or I think you will miss this person, but I feel they also are missing you. Someone wants to protect you and keep you safe. You also have the turtle. So turtle is like going slow but going steady. Oh my god, you have this pearl. Look at this pearl bead. So you are very special to someone, but they don't know how to tell you this thing. Whew. Number 12. So number 12 could be important. December could also be important to you. You also have this pink bead. It is about self-love, focusing on yourself, focusing on money, or I see you getting some gifts, some jewelry, some art, some craft. So all those things, this pink bead. Let's see your cards. Two of Cups. See, relationships, partnerships are very important. Lion, yeah, you are very strong. Trust in your power, and trust in your power. You're very strong. You could be dealing with an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person. Knight of Coins, Two of Coins. Yeah, you are a little confused. You are also very busy this week. I see you doing a lot of things, work and all those things. Your mind is active, so that's why stay careful about your health. January is important. January 10 of year, yeah, you are worried about things ending. Some relationship or some situation, work situation has ended, and you are not happy with it. You are not happy. You still miss that person. Friend, yeah, this person could be a friend. Maybe there is some friendship issues going on. This person wants to talk to you this week. Karmic, oh my god, good lord. No wonder this energy is so heavy in this reading. Good lord, you are handling some heavy karmic issues this week. Four of Airs. Four of Air, I think you should check the first reading also, because it is very similar to first reading. Four of Air was in that also, Four of Swords. So I think you might check it just for some advice, extra advice. Resting, taking your time, not worrying. Nine of Coins, look at this, Nine of Coins. We have the charm, we have the card. Yeah, focus on yourself, friends. Keep yourself a priority. Let the past go. It's already gone, so why bother about it? You have this movement. Monkey, yeah, laugh around. I would suggest you to watch some cartoons this week. Maybe it will help you feel better. Red is important. Red color is important for you. And Four of Coins, yeah, I feel like someone wants to share something with you, because you also have the message in a bottle. So some messages which were hidden, or some things which were hidden, will become clear to you this week, friends. I wish you a very, very happy and a positive week. Let me know if this reading resonated with you. If you want to buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicvenstarot.com. Join us on Instagram as Magic Vens Tarot. Join our other channel, Magic Vens Tarot Hindi. This is Mystic C from Magic Vens Tarot saying bye. So friends, for those who chose option number 3, this beautiful train card, let's see how this week will be for your work, love life and career. And I'll be pulling the charms at the end of this reading. As always, please do subscribe, like and share. This is your advice for this week. Let's see. Wow, the Three of Cups. Oh my god, this is such a nice card to begin. Trust me. And the transformation is also here. Good lord. Oh my god, the Knight of Cups is here. The Emperor is here. Ooh, ooh. Eight of Wands is here. Oh my God, the Devil is here. The three major, one, two, and three major arcanas. Friends, this is a big week. Trust me. This is a big week. We are heading into a full moon on the 3rd of August. Mercury is also opposite of Jupiter and Pluto. And, so a lot is going to happen this week. And so yeah, and Sun will also be squaring Uranus. So, ooh. Chariot. Oh my God, this is the fourth major arcana for you. Adjacent possibilities, number 24. Archangel Raphael. This is beautiful. I think you have the most beautiful cards of all the piles today. I feel you could be dealing with a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces this week, or you yourself are Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or you could be dealing with an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person, or you yourself are Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. I also feel you could be dealing with a Capricorn or Taurus person, maybe a Virgo, Capricorn, Taurus. So I feel a very strong Scorpio and Taurus energy. So maybe that's the connection there, Scorpio, Taurus. I feel definitely some positive celebration is coming your way this week, and thank God for that. You deserve it. I feel completely. Some celebrations are going to happen. Some good news is coming. Maybe you have your birthdays, because I see the Emperor, the messages coming. I see lots of messages are coming for you. Maybe your birthday is coming, or someone, your brother, sister, your family, someone has their birthday, some celebration is coming. It is going to make you feel very, very happy. I'm so excited and happy for you. Yes, I also feel something has ended in the past for you. Maybe a job has ended or a relationship has ended, and you are still thinking about that person, and they are also thinking about you. It is like you are addicted to this person and they are also addicted to you, but something has ended in this connection. This connection may have ended like 1 year, 2 year, 3 years ago for some of you, or maybe recently, 1 month back, 2 months back, or maybe a few days back, this connection ended. Oh my God, but they can't forget you. This person is thinking about you. They are obsessing about you. They will be messaging you, talking with you. But I feel like some of you, this is 50-50. You have ended a relationship in the past, you are thinking about that person, but someone else is coming your way. Someone else is coming your way, not the person you are thinking about. So a new romance, a new friendship, or maybe this person in a new way, like with a new offer, they are coming for you. Since this is a general reading, I'm getting a lot of messages here, friends, because you also have adjacent possibilities. So maybe you and this person can't be friends, or maybe you can't date them right now. I don't know, but they want friendship with you right now. Like, let's start as friends again. Or maybe a new person is coming towards you with the offer of love. I also see it's 50-50. For some of you, this person is coming back again. The one who ended things with you, they want to come again. And they will be messaging you, trying to win you, or they will be talking with you and sharing or asking their friends how you are doing and everything. Or you may meet this person by chance in a wedding, in a function, or at a friend's party, or in a social group on WhatsApp or something. Good Lord. But I also feel there is someone else also coming, friends. For some of you, it is a new person or someone else declaring their feelings, proposing you. I feel this is a very busy week for you, because you will be taking charge of your life, moving ahead, moving forward, not focusing on the past, and you will be very, very sure of what you want and how to get it, and your confidence will attract a lot of people this week. I think a lot, if you are a woman, a girl, a lot of people are attracted towards your confidence. If you are a man, you are attracting even other guy, other people, other men, they want to know what makes you, how you can be so bold, how can you be so sure. They also want tips from you, maybe some grooming tips, like your hair. What do you do to keep yourself so fit? What do you do to keep your hair so nice? Your beard, maybe you have a beard. So, yeah, you are inspiring people this week, and it's very nice because you have moved away. You have healed something, and you have moved away from toxic people, toxic connections, and you will not be dealing with them this week. This is a happy week for you, focusing, talking, sharing, finding new people, being in your power, making some new friendships, or going out. Even if you are an introvert, I definitely see you going out and asking, making the first step. Like, hey, how are you? And it's a big thing for introverts, but I see you doing that because you are the emperor, you are the chariot, you are the devil. You are like, yes, I can do it. you know. And if you are single, definitely new people are coming. If you are coupled up, your focus is 50-50. There will be this old person coming, but you want someone new. So I think both old and new people are coming. If you are married, I feel, there will be some anger issues in your marriage or some temptations, like you will be very tempted to travel or try something risky in your marriage, like, or maybe your person is like, maybe some extra passions, you know what I mean. I think you are going to fall in love with your husband or wife, or they are going to fall in love with you. Maybe you'll surprise each other in the bed this week. So, some of you were asking for adult content. Here it is right now, friends. Oh, this is not my forte. I don't actually enjoy talking about such things, but this is the message I am getting. If you are married, both of you will try to lead in your marriage, You and your husband, your wife, both of you want to lead. Both of you want to lead this week, and I think it will be very passionate. It will be quite inspiring. It will also lead to some sparks fly. Some of you might get jealous because your husband or wife is getting a lot of attention from others. So, jealousy is there, my dear. I also feel keep your mind open because you have other options in life. Things can work out better than you expect this week. So keep your mind, keep your eyes open. Number 24, 23, 28, 29, 30, 11, 9 are important for you. There is also Archangel Raphael, the healing master angel of healing. So definitely, friends, you are going to heal. Things are healing. Your heart is healing, your relationships, your money. I see your life is changing in a very, very beautiful way. In your work, I see like things are going to progress. This will be a busy week, a lot of messages, a lot of, if you are working, your workload will be high, but you will feel very confident and bold, and you will achieve every goal that comes your way this week. If you are a student, I feel traveling, you will be traveling to colleges or maybe for some paperwork. I see you traveling. I also see you getting learning something, becoming a master of something. So maybe you are going for post graduations or higher education. So you feel confident, you feel bold. I also feel if you are, some of you can become addicted to watching more TV or binge watching. So be careful, friends, be careful. There are adjacent possibilities. Go outside, take a walk, go on your terrace, listen to some music, maybe create your own music, who knows. So yeah, take care of your health. I do feel like you can do that. Forget your health in the middle of all this. So let's see your advice, then we're gonna look at your charms. Wow, accept heaven's help. You have prayed for help, so get out of the way and let heaven help you. Very interesting. I told you, friends, I think you're already accepting the help. because you have removed all toxic people, toxic connections from your life. You are ready for a new start, and yes, you are on the right path. Good people, new relationships, friendships, contracts are coming your way. Just remain careful that you don't over overwork yourself or become over attached to anything, so just accept the help that is coming your way. Some very very happy news will happen for you this week. Let's see your charms, friends. For those who chose option number 3, how this week will be into for option number 3. Oops. Oh, sorry friends, I'm so sorry for the loud noise. Let's see. New Zealand. Is New Zealand, Australia important? I felt that is important. Wow, this is stuck in T. Let's see what is this. Number 15 and number T is here. N-E. So you have few words. N-E-L-O and T. So I make a lot is here. So I think this is a busy week for you, friends. You will be doing a lot. And I don't know if you can make some words. 10, maybe number 10 is important to you. So 10 and T-E-N and L-O are important. Hello, I'm a bad idea. Yeah, I told you, friends. There is a chance that, I told you some jealousy can happen, some temptation can come into your life this week. Someone very charming can want to serenade you. So, hello, I'm a bad idea. I think you are also giving that. You are very sexy this week, friends. You are telling others, I'm a bad idea, stay away from me. I don't do toxic relationships, stay away. You are very bold, friends. You are very bold this week. I love this energy of yours. Always stay like this. Number 15 is important. Number 1, see, new beginnings, a new start. This ending and a new start. And you have this shoe. So yeah, I see that you'll be walking a lot or traveling, very busy this week. Also, some sort of a wish will come true, like the Cinderella's wish, like this happy news celebration coming your way. Let's see, the dark night. You are this dark night, You are going to lead this week. You are going to be you are attracting a lot of attention this week, especially if you are a man. You are very attractive this week. So yeah, even if you are a girl, you are very attractive. People want to know. They find you mysterious. They want to know you. Let's see. Let's see the charms. Owl, see, learning something, knowledge, intuition. I don't know if you can see it. Here it is. Knowledge, intuition, keeping your mind open to new possibilities. If something is not working, let it go, because new things are coming. There is also growth. Yes, things are growing for you. Don't worry, you are going in the right direction. Star, wish is coming true. A celebration is going to happen. Your wishes are going to come true. A twin flame. You could be dealing with a twin flame, or you are going to meet your twin flame. Or maybe a very sweet partnership or friendship or soulmate is coming your way this week. You also have this iron. Oh, this is like, this is like some things have happened. So, you don't worry about it. You can iron them out. You are worried about why things are spoiled, why they ended. Don't worry about it. You can always fix it. You can fix things which are not working. This is like that. Knight of Air, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person is important for you. Two of Coins, very busy. You are very busy with work. You are very busy with friendships, family, or with spending time, meeting or talking or sharing with people. January is also important to you. Also, March is important. So maybe something happened in January or March. Ace of Cups, yeah, see? Maybe a new love offer is coming your way. Maybe this person from January, February, things ended there. They again want to come back to you. Or someone else is coming. 10 of Coins, yes. Happiness, ultimate happiness, financial, emotional success. Two of Cups. I was expecting it. I knew it. This card or charm was going to jump out with the Ten of Coins. Because this Ace of Cups, it's like you have a relationship coming. Either this week or in the weeks ahead. And I feel you have a choice. It could be this relationship or this person from your past, or you can choose a new person. Both are coming your way, friends. Both are coming. A major healing is happening. And it is you who will decide, not me, not them, or anyone else. And Monkey, yeah, I think keep your, stay happy. Don't focus too much on work. Don't focus too much on passion, love, jealousy, anger, past. No. Focus on happiness. Seven of Coins. Wow, you are a little confused. Yeah, I told you which way to go. I don't know. You know which way to go. You are like, which way to go, which person to choose, what should I do? You are going to get your clarity. Don't worry, October. See, I think from now till October, something is going to manifest for you, and you will know what it is because it will happen this week or start this week. You also have this doctors thing, so maybe a doctor, healer, or a Reiki person is important, or yoga spiritualist, or maybe you are these people. So that's it for now, friends. Please do subscribe, like, and share Magic Vans Tarot. To let me know if this reading resonated with you. To buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicvanstarot.com. Visit our another channel, Magic Vans Tarot Hindi, and join us on Instagram as Magic Vans Tarot. This is Mystic C saying bye.